So welcome, guys. I am here with the owner of Citarella, Joe, the fish master. I'm so excited to have you in the kitchen and for you to show me how to cook a whole fish.
I think whole fish is one thing that intimidates people.
Yes.
And I'm gonna show you how not to be intimidated. People need to realize that seafood is delicate. Mm-hmm. It needs focus. It needs attention.
Yeah.
It's not like you're cooking a piece of chicken or a pork chop that is going to take a long time to cook.
Sure.
Seafood's not going to take that long. Mm-hmm. So it needs to be focused and you need to pay attention.
And you're going to show us how to do that.
Right now.
Okay, so what kind of fish is this?
This is Branzino. Mm-hmm. I'm going to grill it for 10 minutes. 5 minutes on each side, and it'll be perfect.
Smoke us out of this joint.
There we go.
There we go.
Now we're oiling the fish. You're going to put a couple of rosemary.
A little aromatic in there. And this is nice because it gives the fish like a really nice light flavor, right?
A little salt. Here we go. Timer.
Okay. And timing is key, right?
Timing is
Timing
key.
is key.
5 minutes on each side, no variation.
Okay, no variation.
This fish is about a pound.
Okay.
So you could do this to any 1 pound fish, whether it's a red snapper, porgy, or any 1 pound fish. The recipe is 5 minutes on each side.
That's amazing.
So now we're gonna flip.
This is the part that makes me nervous. Oh, wow. Wow. What? That's insane. That is so beautiful.
Again, 5 more minutes, and we'll be done.
So when you flipped it, you grabbed the head, right? So why do you do that as opposed to the tail?
When you grab the head, it controls the fish.
Okay. I feel
You can't
like,
control it from the tail.
right. And some people might make the mistake of grabbing the belly, and it's like, well, then you're just gonna.
Then you're gonna
stop.
rip it.
Okay, so it's ready.
5 minutes is done. We're ready. So we're gonna pick it up.
Oh, that looks really beautiful. Okay, Joe, so you totally took my intimidation out of cooking a whole fish today. So everybody needs to buy Joe Knows Fish. Go to Citarella.com for more recipes to learn how to take the intimidation out of cooking. Follow Joe. Now, here comes the tricky part, something that I am always usually mesmerized by at restaurants, the filet.
So what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna cut it right in the middle like this. The upper part, whenever you do, there's never a bone here.
Oh, there's never bone here.
Never
so that's
bone.
just meat.
That's all meat. So we're gonna go like this, and we'll go like this.
That's really easy. You made that look really easy. I don't know that I could have done that.
So now,
Uh-huh.
we'll go the other side. We'll do it very similar. But the difference is here, when you do that, there's no bone up until here, because in the stomach part is where all the bones are.
Okay.
So we'll just go like this. And in here are little bones.
Simple enough.
Simple enough. Little
Wow.
bones like that.
And you do the same thing to the other side.
Same exact thing to the other side.
Okay, so when you are eating this fish, how do you serve it? Just simple?
I would just put some
oil?
olive oil on top of this, and this is
Or
we're
shall
done.
we? I mean, I want to taste this. Okay, let's see. Wow.
It was pretty good.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.